Hello everyone, I am Mr. Hans Raj Sisodia, in short Mr. Hans, a postgraduate in English, and at present I am in education services along with the EVORICH co-ownership program. I have been the active participant of the EVORICH and API training sessions and the international events like Malaysia event 2029 and recently held Dubai event 2021, the awesome program. I am the constant and keen learner of the EVORICH ecosystem. I have been come across so phenomenal leaders like Mr. Andre Havrathov, Mila Sarjukova, and Armand Murnik. So many leadership, worldwide leadership, and Indian awesome leaders like Sri Mr. Atul and Bhavanaji Gupta and Harvinder Hariji and Dhruv Kumar and so many leaders, So this is the English version of the previous video, and I would like to put my some suggestions and the logics behind the CRU price. So let's start. Before going to the point that what are the logics behind CRU price, backing the CRU price upward, but we will have to come one point that is very important, that what is the origin of the CRU and what's the present condition in the world market. So let's see the CRU, the crypto unit program was launched in Malaysia 2029. It was the phenomenal date, that is the 10th of February 2019, and it was started from that there is the great opportunity to become the co-owner in the 20 sectors of the world's growing market. And there was the second point, that the new ideology, the new economic evolution of the world was started from there. It means we are talking about an evolution, the economic evolution in the world. That evolution was started by our respected Mr. Andre Havrathov, and the starting of the WCRU cell was the commencement date was the 31st of the March 2029, and the CRU selling process was decided in the three phases. The first and second phase was almost complete till January 2021, and the price started from the cents, and it increased to the 40 cent, 50 cent. At present we all know that what's the price of the CRU or WCRU. So let's see what's the present scenario of the CRU. The total WCRU is the 8 billion in the market, and out of them 80 billion, the 25 billion WCRUs have been sold. And if we talk about the CRU, then there are the 10 billion 550 it's almost 10 billion CRU in the circulation. If we talk about event staking, for the 8% staking, then the 1.8 billion CRU were stacked for the event staking, and now the balance is the 8.6 billion CRU in the market. And our target is to minimize, to stake, and to sell these 8.6 billion CRU. And how the price can increase, let's have some logics behind it. So these days there is a burning question, that is what will be the CRU price in future, in near future. This is the major question among the EVORICH community. So before going to this question, I would like to give some reasons why the people ask this question. The number one, the CRU holding for selling purpose. There is the huge amount of the CRU of among the people. They wanted to sell it and they want to get the money. The second one, the bulk purchasing on the rumors. People, so there are so many leaders who promoted this CRU as a short-term beneficiary thing. So people purchased in the bulk on the rumors. And now the next point is the no conversion of the CRU in the WCRU. There was a chance to convert CRU into WCRU, but unfortunately there are so many leaders who could not convert the CRU into WCRU. So they lost the chance to become the dividend partners. So they are waiting. They are waiting for the CRU price increasing. So next one is the people seek the CRU as a trading stock. When the CRU will be on the UnitEx exchange, that they wanted to sell it and they wanted to trade it and make the good awesome profit. But in the webinars there has been some talks on the CRU, like Mila Sarjukova said that people think it, people don't know, and they must see the bigger picture of the CRU. The CRU is not on the CMC. This is not the so big issue, but they must see the bigger picture of the CRU. So we should not have every time the question in our mind that when will the CRU price go up. So when will the CRU price go up? This is the valid and authentic question among the people, and this question must be answered by the leaders and by the company. So in terms of this answer, I would like to give some logics. Number one, the CRU rate is speculation. According to me, there the logic number one says the remarkable leadership of the Andrei Havratov. Andrei Havratov is the person, renowned person in the financial world. He is the pioneer of the new industry called MLCI. Second, he is the great impactor in the crypto industry. And number three, he has also the huge amount, good amount, a great deal amount of the CRU, and always he has some second plan for the CRU increase. The fourth one, Mr. Andrei Havratov written so many awesome articles in the magazines. Many a time he amazed, gave the surprises to the world by his plannings. And number five, he has been the evolutionary person in the financial world, financial education. So in terms of the CRU speculation, CRU rate speculation, I would like to put the another logic that that is the CRU rate. Or in the webinars, in the so many times it has been declared that in the March 2022 there will the price, minimum price of the CRU $2. $2 means the amazing thing. Let's see what will happen after the rate of the WCRU $2. Number one, the huge demand of the most awaited the STO WCRU. The people are watching it in a big asset, in the form of the big asset. So there will be the awesome demand of the WCRU when it will come in the open market. And the second one, what will be the total market capitalization of the WCRU? If we multiply the 25 billion WCRU with the $2, then it will be the 50 billion, that the top 10 crypto asset in the world. It means we will be the big initiator in the world, and it will be the very good thing for all of us. Third one, it will be the sudden demand of the CRU among the non-investment consultant EVORICH partners and the new crypto enthusiasts. There will be the opportunity to have the WCRU on the initial price, and the price will go high, then definitely CRU price will go high. And if we have a look on the Bitcoin market capitalization, maximum is 600 billion, and we are in the first level with the 50 billion. It means we will the market puller in the world. CRU rate is speculation. Logic number three, the high profile companies in the business tycoon as the purchaser, as the WCRU buyers. It means lots of the people, a lot of the crypto enthusiasts are waiting to have the WCRU in their wallet. Number one, if the 1 lakh WCRU to be stacked in is the condition, that the new company or the new businessman, if they wanted to have the WCRU, the first condition that they must have the CRU in 1 lakh CRU to be deposited with the company. Number two, the 10,000 worth dollar CRU before the January is the second condition. It means the company, a potential company who wanted to have the WCRU, and this WCRU is the will be as a bank guarantee. So there is the condition that before January they must have to buy worth 10,000 WCRU and put with the company, and the limit will be the $25,000 after the January 2022. Then the fourth point is that the new business accounts rise on the crypto unit blockchain day by day. We see in the history of the crypto unit blockchain, there the day by day the number of the new business accounts are increasing. Let's calculate that suppose 1,000 new companies are to be registered, then they will have to put or the buy to be stacked the 1 lakh WCRU. It means the total 0.1 billion WCRU will be stacked out from the market. If we think that the companies are 10,000 in number, then that number will be the 1 billion. It means if we think about the 10,000 new business partners, new business tycoons, and each businessman or the tycoon will put 1 lakh CRU with the company, then the number will be the 1 billion. If we think in the near future there are the 1 lakh new people, new businessmen, business tycoons, they put the 1 lakh CRU with the company, then the total number will be the 10 billion. But at present condition, in the market there are the only approximate the 8.5 billion circulating CRU. Let's come to the next CRU rate speculation point. Logic number 4 according to me, that is the relation between the CRU and UNTB. Number 1 point, they says that the CRU is taking for the UNTB token. You and we all know that the CRU has been stacked by us for the CRU for the UNTB mining, and that is the very important token for all the EVORICH community, that one day the price will be the awesome price. Second one, the increasing demand of the UNTB token for the new business accounts on the blockchain. As we know that the blockchain account holder will have to buy the UNTB token to run their accounts. So UNTB demand will rise, and accordingly the CRU price will increase. Number 3 is the slower mining of the UNTB token against the higher CRU. As the number of the UNTB token, according to new tokenomics, the UNTB token mining has been reduced to the 40%, and the 40% will be for the node producers, and the 40% will be for the new EVORICH partners. So in this way, the mining of the UNTB token has been slower. It means more CRU will be stacked for the UNTB generations. Number 4 says that CRU is considered as the BNB token. You know that the BNB token is the fuel token on the Binance exchange. So like that, in the Crypto Explorer blockchain, the CRU is the fuel token. So new account holder or any person needs CRU because it's a UNTB token. UNTB token is the just like fuel token. So CRU will be needed to have the UNTB tokens. For fifth, restaking for the UNTB tokens. When the awareness will be in the market about the CRU and WCRU, then definitely people will start staking their CRU for the UNTB, and the old people will restake their CRUs for the UNTB, and new people will stake CRU by P2P. So there are lots of the possibilities for staking of the CRUs on the blockchain. And number 7 says that the limited supply and the mining of the UNTB will be the chief cause for the rate increase of the WCRU, because total UNTB number is 8 billion, all to be mined. So CRU rate speculation, according to me, the next logic is CRU regulations in India and abroad. There the governments are becoming concerned about the increasing demand of the cryptocurrency in the market. So if we take the example of the Indian government, the Indian government wants to regulate the cryptocurrencies, and the illegal and unethical activities will be banned in India. It means there is the new opportunity for the CRU and WCRU to be staked, to be bought by the crypto enthusiast, because it is the most legal thing, and which is approved by the Security Exchange Commission USA. So people will stake, people will buy this STO, and awareness toward the institutional investment will be the chief cause for the CRU rate increase, because people will divert toward the institutional investment. They will go to the safer and the confirmed return. So the volatility in the crypto market always creates a fear in the newcomers. So people will prefer WCRU and CRU. Third one, the EVORICH is an ideal opportunity for this purpose. We and you will serve this opportunity to this new world, that this is the new STO, and you can have the global partnership, global co-ownership through WCRU. It means the people will also seek the CRU as a good stock. Number 5, MLCI market in future. Recently, as we know that in the Dubai event, it has been declared that the MLCI marketplace will be in the market in near future. So the CRU will be used there as the utility token, and it means the CRU as a utility token, it means the higher rates. In the term of the CRU rate speculation, I would like to present the next logic, that is the CRU as a utility token. CRU always has been declared in the blockchain white paper that it's a utility token. Utility token means it can be used to pay for the services and the products in future. CRU will be paid for the services, and the CRU can be burned into the WCRU. So CRU has a multiple utility. If we leave some countries like China and other countries, that if they don't allow the CRU as the utility, as a currency, then the CRU will be utilized in the more than 160 to 170 countries. It means there will be the definitely price increase of the CRU, and in this way CRU will be the secondary liquid asset. CRU will be the second priority for the people who don't have the investment consultant courses, and they are not allowed to buy directly WCRU. So the CRU will be the target for the people to buy, because CRU will be rising and CRU is going to be traded on the UnitEx exchange. In this way, there are the lots of the opportunities for the CRU price increasing. Let's see about the next logic, which is CRU speculation. According to me, that says logic number 7, that the UnitEx as a trading and the exchange platform. Awesome platform has been created by our company, backed by the Estonian government, which says that it will be the future demand of the crypto enthusiasts, that they would like to launch their new tokens on this platform, and EVORICH community will trade their CRU, WCRU, USDU on this awesome platform. CRU is one of the pair against the currencies, the UNTB. So on this platform the CRU will be traded. CRU will be as a trading stock. People will make the profits by selling and buying, and CRU trading means the staking till 2000 CRUs. For let's say have an example, if any person puts a bid on the UnitEx exchange, then he or she will have to buy minimum 2000 CRU. It means the one order means 2000 CRU multiplied by the so many orders. So hundreds of the orders will be placed on the UnitEx exchange every day. It means the multiplied into 2000 CRU will be staked on the UnitEx exchange, and then after they will be transferred to the blockchain exchange. It means blockchain means there will be the staking CRU for the UNTB tokens. So there are the chances of CRU staking. CRU staking will be at the UnitEx. Then after the CRU will be transferred to the blockchain, and there will be the maybe the staking of the CRU also. It means there will be the low liquidity in the market of the CRU. It means indirectly we can say that the price will increase definitely. More CRU purchase means more staking. So many people will seek it as a future profitable thing. So people will take it and stake it for the UNTB tokens. CRU sell and purchase for the USDU will increase the liquidity and profitability. So people will buy CRU, they will stake it, they will sell it for the USDU, and USDU can be used and sold to the other person also. So there are the lots of the opportunities for CRU price increasing. So CRU rate speculation according to me says that logic number 8 says that the media campaign and the CRU at the lowest price, lowest rate, these are the two factors for the CRU price increase. The number one, CRU cannot go below this lowest rate, as you and we all know that at this point the CRU at the lowest price, and there are the higher chances of increasing the price. WCRU media campaign on Dailycoin and investing.com. Recently we have come across to know the awesome articles in the Dailycoin magazines and the investing.com platform. The world is going to know, they are going through these articles, and they have the information that WCRU provides the global co-ownership. So they are in search of the WCRU, how they can have the WCRU. Number 3 says the dividend on the WCRU will impact definitely the price of the CRU. It means when in 2022, if the dividend is issued by the company, EVORICH company, then people will have CRU in more quantities, because CRU can be converted into the WCRU, and WCRU yields the dividends, and that was the purpose for the investment of the people. So crypto unit blockchain is a better place for the new launch of the will increase the CRU staking. It means crypto unit blockchain is the better place for the new crypto enthusiast or the new crypto coin launcher, that they can launch their coin on the blockchain, and there is the minimal fees. The fees is in the form of the CRU, that they will have to buy 1 lakh CRU and stake with the company. So it means the more new coins are on our blockchain, it means more CRU are bought by them, more CRU are staked by them. It means definitely they will decrease the flow of the CRU in the market, and it is related to the CRU price increase. CRU is as an indirect way to have the WCRU through the conversion without the investment consultant costs. It means people have a chance to have WCRU. Either they will have to pay the higher fees, higher conversion fees for the conversion of the CRU into WCRU, but still there is a opportunity to have WCRU through the CRU. So definitely CRU price will increase. So in short, if we take example, if consider that sometime a company gives an offer that if he or she will buy the CRU in the certain amount, then that certain definite benefits will be given to them. Suppose there are the 9 lakh people are listed on the blockchain. If one person on an average buys the 1000 CRU, then the amount becomes the 0.9 billion of the CRU. So a good amount of the CRU is again pulled out from the market, and if the number is increased to the 10,000, if a visionary investor or the EVORICH investor buys the 10,000 CRU and multiplied by the 9 lakh, then it becomes the 9 billion CRU, and that is almost nil in the market. So there are so many possibilities of the CRU price increase. So let's summarize our logics into nut and shell, that how many CRU can be held from the market. Number one, let's have example. New companies. If suppose there are the 1000 new companies and one company is to stake 1 lakh CRU, it means multiplied by 1 lakh CRU with the 1000, then it becomes the 0.1 billion. Suppose there the number of the companies becomes the 10,000 and the CRU condition is the 1 lakh, then it becomes the 1 billion CRU. Next point, the new business tycoon. Suppose there are the 10,000 new business tycoons who wants to buy WCRU. The same condition is here, that per person, per businessman will have to put 1 lakh WCRU with the company. Then it becomes the 1 billion WCRU. 1 billion with the 10,000 people. Suppose it becomes the 10 times, it means 1 lakh people and 1 lakh CRU, it becomes the 10 billion. But let's it be only the 10,000, then it will be the 1 billion. Next, third is the node producers. As we know that recently in the webinar it has been declared that the 10 node producers have been ready, and now the 11 node producers are to be created by the company. So there are the total 21 node, and 21 node holder will have to put the 1 lakh CRU. It means there will be the 21 lakh CRU with the company. Voters have an opportunity to give votes and get some UNTB and extra benefits from the node holders. So there is also a chance. Suppose there are the 1 lakh voters, and they have to stake their 10,000 CRUs, then it becomes the 1 billion CRU with the companies out of the market. And the next 5 is the new recruitment by the EVORICH community. Suppose the awared community becomes active and they recruit the new people. The new people will have to buy some CRU. If the number is 10,000, or it may be the anything, that 1 lakh new recruitment by multiplied by the 1000, then it becomes the 0.1 billion also. And sixth estimate is that the CRU purchased by the old partners. If the old EVORICH partners buy on a special offer, there are already 9 lakh old partners. If they buy the 10,000 CRU, then it becomes the 9 billion. We don't talk about the 9 billion because there are the only 8.5 billion CRUs in the market in circulation, and we are trying to stake them, to hold them, so that the price can be increased. So in nut and shell, I can say that the total CRU price, that CRU that purchased, that is tagged, and they are in holding, then the number will be approximate 10 plus billion. So what I meant to say, there are so many ways of the CRU holding, CRU purchasing, CRU selling. So CRU price definitely will increase. So these were the speculations from my side. The calculations are just the imaginary factors, datas, and we should not go what will be from our mind exactly. What I can say, The company is the sole responsible for what will be in future. But thanks for listening me and giving me the valuable time. Thanks a lot, and I would like to serve you by bringing the so valuable information and some facts from the company. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.